If you want to know how to make paint slide off your fiberglass tub this easily, continue watching. This is what a tub looks like before removing the paint. First, remove the plastic strip from the corner of the tub, then remove the paint. This is a quick before video of what the tub looked like before any work was done. You will need goggles, a mask to cover your mouth and nose, and a pair of gloves to safely complete this process. You want to remove the corking from the corners of your tub first, so that you can remove the paint from the entire surface of the tub. If you have regular corking, you will need a scraping tool, as seen in the picture, to remove the corking from the corners of your tub. This tool is only $1 at the Dollar Tree or $3 at Walmart. We're starting with Goop Off Pro Strength Remover to remove the sticky residue left by the corking. For best results, start scraping the paint off immediately after spraying this product on. If the product dries, the goo and the paint would also dry and be challenging to scrape off. The paint and sticky residue will start to bubble as seen here. You'll want to start scraping the paint off as quickly as possible. The Goop Off Pro Strength Remover did a great job at taking the sticky substance off of the corners of the tub, but it was not effective at removing the paint. As a result, I spent a lot of time scraping the tub. This is what a tub looks like after using the Goop Off Pro Strength Remover and a lot of elbow grease. This is a heap of paint that was scraped off of the corner of the tub. I decided to try Citristrip paint and vanish removing gel to remove the paint faster. Citristrip had a lovely citrus smell in the beginning, but once it started to work, it became odorless and made my mouth and throat dry. So please use the face mask as recommended on the container. Unlike the Goop Off Pro Strength Remover, this is not easy to apply. You will need a paintbrush to paint the product onto the tub, which takes longer in the beginning but will save you a lot of time and energy on the back end. Within minutes of applying the Citristrip, the paint began to bubble. The instructions recommend that you let it stand for 30 minutes before removing the paint. Here are the results of using the Citristrip for 30 minutes. As you can see in the video, the paint is bubbling a lot more with this product. The paint is much easier to remove using Citristrip. Scrape off as much paint as possible using the scraping tool. Please keep your bathroom air vent on during this process. The fact that Citristrip becomes odorless when applied doesn't make it any less harmful than the Goo Off Pro Strength. After using this product, I recommend that you put the paint residue into an old plastic shopping bag and take it out to the dumpster immediately. The fumes from this product will cause harm to you if left in an indoor trash can. The fact that it is odorless while working makes it an insidious threat to you and your family. The bottom of the tub was tricky to clean. A scrubbing brush is perfect for scraping the paint off an uneven surface, such as the bottom of your tub. Once all of the scraping is complete and the paint is removed, you can remove the product's residue with water and your scrubbing brush. I unstopped the tub and let the water flow out. It did not back up or cause any issues. For the outer edge of your tub, you can use a wet cloth to remove the product residue, as seen here in the video. If you're interested in repainting a fiberglass tub or in fixing a crack in the bottom of your fiberglass tub, please watch the other videos in this playlist. Link in the description box. Here's the tub after all the paint has been removed.